How to appear offline on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your WhatsApp. Here we go. Make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. If not, you can launch your Play Store or App Store. Search for the app WhatsApp, and after app appears at the right corner of it, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update your WhatsApp to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch your WhatsApp. Make sure you are already logged into your account. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of settings. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Head towards the option of privacy, open it. Now navigate to the option last seen and online. Over here, you're going to find two sections, who can see my last seen and who can see when I'm online. For the option who can see my last seen, set it to nobody. Now I can check in for this option of same as last seen for who can see when I'm online. Now you will appear offline on your WhatsApp account. So this way you can easily appear offline on WhatsApp. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.